I decided to go ahead and start a vending machine business. An opportunity had came up to me the other day. I had stopped at a car wash, and the owner happened to be there, and we got to talking, and he was like, "Hey, he's looking for some vending machines." Some years before, I had been trying to get into it. I just couldn't find no locations, and this location kind of just handed itself to me. So I went on Facebook Marketplace. I found this unit right here working. Only thing that's not working is the two lights on the inside. But I went and found this one. It did have some issues with some of the coin mechanism wasn't working, but it was just like everything was just sticking. Then some of the labels were all gone. I just put all new labels on them. I put all new labels. I just downloaded the file from Etsy. See, like this one's still all. It has the old labels on it. But I swapped them over to some new labels. The card machine works. Everything works. And I got this one for $400. I just stocked it, and it's been cooling overnight, so I can cool all the sodas. Currently, all my sodas are $1.25 each. I'm going to Sam's Club, and when you buy the bulk sodas, usually the Cokes. Right now, I have the Cokes, Dr. Pepper, Sprite, Big Red, and 3 of the Fantas. They average about 55 cents per can. I'm not sure if you can find them cheaper anywhere else. If so, please let me know. Then this one, same thing. This one's working as well. The owner has 2 car washes, and he wants me to put 1 in each. So I went ahead and bought 2. It is set to 25 cents, but I'm going to change this to $1.25. I just haven't had the time to do it yet. This one's also, I filled this one up the other day. When I went to Sam's Club, I think I bought 9 cases of soda or 8 cases of soda, which costed $181 after taxes. But that's where I'm at. I'm gonna finish putting